Before you start, clean up everything perfectly and use a disinfectant. Rinse well too. Also make sure that you have a good space for the fermentation vessel, not in direct sunlight, and the temperature should be around 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold or heated floors. We ordered a wine kit from Brew. This is not a paid advertisement. We just do this on our own. Pour berry or fruit mix into the strainer bag. You can add some other berries or fruits too. Close the bag and place it in the fermentation vessel. For 5 to 6 kilograms of brewery sugar and citric acid sachet. Using brewery sugar is more expensive than normal supermarket sugar, but it doesn't smell when alcohol is brewing, and it is also more clean, so the taste is a lot improved. Boil 10 liters of water and pour it into the fermentation vessel. Let the sugar dissolve and berries absorb moisture. You may stir a bit. Now check the liquid temperature. When the temperature is 60 degrees Celsius or a bit less, empty the bag of enzymes while stirring the liquid. Let the enzyme take effect and the berries get juicy in a slowly cooling liquid for about 2 hours. Add cold water until there is about 20 liters of wine juice in total. Check the temperature and add about 3 liters of cold and or hot water so that the temperature will be 35 degrees. Mix wine yeast, nutritional salt with a deciliter of 35 degree water in a glass and let it swell up for 10 minutes. Make sure the liquid is not too hot, as it will kill the yeast and you will get only juice with yeast aroma. Pour the yeast mix into the fermentation vessel. Close the fermentation vessel with a lid equipped with a water lock. Fill the water lock half full with water. Using the water lock is essential because if you brew in a tight sealed barrel, brewing makes pressure and the tight barrel will explode and your flat will face wine damage, which nobody wants. Using a water lock is safe, so a closet may be a good location as it has no direct sunlight and is draft free. You should be able to see the bubbling in the water lock within a few hours, and that is the sign that yeast is brewing sugar into the alcohol and everything is in good condition. Other signs of the brewing process are that some foam may occur on the top of the wine and maybe some hissing sound can be heard. Brewing will take about a week with 5 kilograms of sugar, a bit longer when using more sugar. More sugar also means stronger alcohol. Brewing is getting slower towards the end. When you hear bubbling less often than every 10 seconds, it is time to measure the liquid with a specific gravity meter. When its scale shows something between -10 and -2 or 0.990 to 0.998, the wine is brewed. Remove the strainer bag with berries and siphon the wine into another vessel with the siphon. Remove the carbon dioxide by stirring the vessel hard. Shake the vessel or pour the wine several times from one vessel to another. Empty the brew stopper to the vessel and stir hard. Place the lid with a waterlock and wait for 2 more days. You may shake the vessel a couple of times. The wine is safe to drink now, but you can still improve the quality. With 5 kilograms of sugar, we made wine, which is 9% alcohol. Add salicylic acid while stirring the wine. Chitosan is not necessary, you may dismiss it if you don't want animal products in your wine. After 1 week you can siphon the wine to another vessel. Be careful not to mix threads. The wine is very dry, but if you want, you may add 2 to 5 grams of sugar per liter of wine. Or you can do it in our way, which we will tell you soon. If the wine is clear enough, you can siphon it into the bottles or wine bags. The wine is ready to drink, but in a few weeks wine matures and its aromas get better. The best days is after several months, but who can wait so long? This 25 liters of wine costs about 50 euros, which means 1 liter costs 2 euros or 50 Czech korunas. As I said earlier, the wine is very dry, so what we do? We add this raspberry lemonade we bought from Lidl. Roughly 1 part of lemonade and 9 parts of wine is a good mix. It gives a nice amount of sweetness and carbonic acid to make it taste a bit like sparkling wine, but not too much. Disclaimer: consuming alcohol is never recommended, so it can be fun. Drinking a very tasty wine may cause too quick drinking, getting way too drunk, and can seriously hurt yourself and others surrounding you. Drink responsibly and never too much.